Hello everyone, and welcome to this session about staying home and study online with Humber Polytechnic. And this session, especially for my program, Data Analytics program at Humber. It's under the Longo Faculty of Business, and I am Lubna, professor and program coordinator for the Data Analytics graduate certificates. And it's my pleasure to welcome you to this online information session. In this session, I will try to walk you through how it's like to study data analytics fully online. Right now, this is our second year having a fully online cohort in the data analytics program. And I will try to explain what you will learn, the courses we cover in this program, how the online experience works, like where this program can take you after graduation. At any point, if you have a question, feel free to unmute yourself and ask, or at the end of these slides, we can have an open discussion, and I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Now, the data analytics program designed to give learners a strong hands-on foundation in working with data. This means you won't just learning concepts, you will actually be working with real data sets. And you will use industry tools from the very beginning. Like students will learn how to collect data, how to manage, interpret information, while also practicing real-world analytics that mirror what professionals do in the field, like really in industry. You will see how data helps drive decisions across different industries, how this program will teach you how you will support decision making at industry, not just in one specific sector. It will cover, it's not only for business, for example, it can cover any other sectors, like other sectors. And this is something very important to know from the beginning. That's why we accept applicants from different domain. We highly encourage students from different domain who would like to explore data analytics and data mining. You will see how data will help drive decisions across those different industries, and how you will learn, you will develop and learn more about communication skills. You will learn not only how to run the analysis using those industrial tools, but also how to explain your findings clearly, something the employers in all industries really value. By the end of the program, students will have a solid combination of technical, analytical, and communication skills, and they will feel confident applying those skills in real workplace situations. The main in this slide, I'm trying to highlight a few of the core skills you will learn or you will develop during the program. First, you will learn how to design and manage data structures and database. And this is the foundation for almost everything, If you want to do a database or data analytics, you will need to know or learn this, and you then will be able to do the analytics. You will gain experience with the predictive modeling, how to build machine learning models, things like identifying patterns, doing some data mining to identify patterns in certain domain, working with machine learning algorithms, the simple one and the advanced ones, and building forecasting models that help organization plan ahead. A big focus is on statistics. You will work with analytical tools and methods that will allow you to interpret data correctly, build meaningful insights. And finally, visualization and communications are key parts of the program. You will learn how to turn complex information when you do the data mining into clear, engaging visual that explain the main idea, your conclusion, your support to the managers in order to make a correct decision. That way, that makes sense for non-technical audience. You want your message to reach to your managers and anyone who is a decision maker but not related to technical experience. So we will teach you a way of developing techniques that will explain through dashboarding platforms, through charts that you will create with Python and other platforms we are going to use. Now, if we come to what we call it the online cohort, it's fully online delivery. That's one of the strengths of this program, is that it's designed to fully support online learners. It's dedicated to professional worker. So you can join the program and from anywhere in Canada. You will be able to study from wherever you are, and our course schedules are built to accommodate different time zones and personal commitments. We use combination of live virtual sessions and independent learning. All our classes are live face-to-face with your instructor. At the same time, you will be able to sit in the class and it's a flexible for you because the learning material, everything, we have a Blackboard platform, learning platform. All the lectures will be there, all the assignments, your communication with the classmate, with your instructor will be through that platform. And this online environment is very interactive. Like we use virtual labs, we use Teams like this for the lectures, for the discussion, just like what we are doing today. Collaborative activities. Most of the assignment is teamwork assignments, like working on case studies with team members. So all of you are professional workers, and you will use the time within the class time to have your meetings, finish whatever needed, and sometimes you will need to do some meetings with your classmate outside of the class time. It's up to you. It's totally your schedule and your timing. The main goal is to work through a real practical problem together with your group members. And just because the program is online doesn't mean you are on your own, like you have a full access to all the academic support, like technical help, whatever the college offers, it's all open to you. Your instructors, your college resources, everything, even the activities we post or we send you announcement or posted on social media like LinkedIn, you will have you're free. You can join them all if they are online or if they are in person. It's all up to you. Now, if we don't want to discuss that where this program can take you, there is a very strong demand these days for data-driven skills. Like everyone, all of you know that it's skills across all industries, needed across all industries, and our graduates step into a wide variety of roles. Students from this program go on to positions such as data analyst, business intelligence developer, supply chain analyst, and more. I mean, the list is a long list. And these roles exist in sectors like healthcare, finance, retail, education, technology, manufacturing, and you can also connect with graduate students to see where they reach. Like I already have on LinkedIn students who secured a full-time job or just develop their role within their same position while wherever they are in their career, like just develop their position. And data analytics has become essential everywhere, so it's needed skill. And the skill you will build in this program, the software you will learn, the tools you will use will give you the ability to support roles like decision making, helping decision making, identifying patterns, creating dashboards, help organization improve processes by creating recommender system, predictor system. And these skills make you valuable wherever you are working, in a large company, in a small startup, government, nonprofit. Just like what I said, it's across all industry. And we found many graduates also move into more advanced position over time. So there are a pathway where you can develop your role into analytics managers, data scientists, or even business intelligence leads. The program really sets you for this growth. And at Humber, we have um, coming next year a master degree in data analytics management. It's all about management. Now I would like to give you an insight of what the program include, the courses we taught in this program. And this is a 1-year graduate certificate delivered over 2 semesters. In every semester, you will have 6 courses. And the structure is designed so that you can build your skills step by step. In semester 1, you will focus on foundation analytic tools. And then for me, I'm going to teach you machine learning and programming 1. So I will start. Consider you don't have any experience in programming. Even if you know programming, this will support you to enter into this course. If not, then we keep in mind, we consider that the material is built in a way that whatever your background, you will be able to write codes using Python. So I'm going to use Python and teach you programming concepts, teach you the main instructions that you will need from Python to build your machine learning model. And the same things goes with the course Introduction to Database and SQL for Business Insight and Analytics. The course starts by giving you foundation and concepts of database. What's database? How we can use it? And then step by step, instructors will guide you through the course until you will be able to build your own database using SQL. There are other classes like emerging trends, business concepts that will give you the basics that you need for business. And then business intelligence, it's more about other platforms that you will learn and will help you to build like things like natural language processing. And then the quantitative research methods and analysis, this course will guide you through the concepts of how to do research methods, analytic techniques. And if we move to semester 2, we will move into a deeper technical areas like big data, machine learning, but advanced. This is 1. And then in semester 2, we will take 2. It's advanced in terms you will learn more machine learning models. It's exactly the same concept, but instead of like in this semester 1, we focus on programming until the midterm, the first 7 weeks. And then on the second 7 weeks, we will try to practice what we learned in the first 7 weeks. And then the extension of this course is machine learning 2. And then on semester 2, everything you learn in this first term will support the work you will do in the second semester. So these are the courses for semester 2, and you can see that we will start with Data Analytics Tools 1. This is the first class course in semester 2, and then this one will covers platforms like Excel, how to use Excel to do data analytics. And database management is an advanced, like database 2. You will take database 1 in semester 1, database 2 in semester 2. And then big data 1, platforms. You will learn new platforms on this, like Databricks or any other platforms that you will need to create a dashboarding, communication and data visualization, how to create your reports, how to explain the results of your data mining. And on machine learning 2, just like what I said, it's a continuous of machine learning 1. And the capstone project, this is our way to build something like it's because we don't have co-op or placement in this semester, so we focus on the capstone project to connect you with industry. So the instructor will guide you through this from day one, from week one till the end. You will build your capstone project with your team, with your group, like with your team, and the data, the problem should be a real problem, and you will get the data set that you will work through the semester, and you will apply exactly what you learn in the other 11 courses. So all those courses that we just passed through is will be used in your capstone project. You will work on this real analytics challenge from start to finish, and the project becomes something you can show to your employers, a practical example of your skills that you can add it to your as a profile for your work. At this point, if you have any question related to the program, the curriculum type of the work involved, online expectation, whatever, feel free to ask me right now, or you can always connect with me. This phone number is the college, my office number, like it's on Teams, actually online. And this is my email, and you can connect with me anytime if you have any question related to the program or any other question. I can guide you to where you should go, or maybe I will get the answer for you. If it's from admission, if it's from the registration. So thank you once again for attending this session. I try to focus on the main points that I always get questions from students about those points. Like students always ask me if what's the course contains, how the delivery, how the online cohort goes. So I try to focus on those main points. But if you have, once again, any question, please feel free to connect with me anytime. Okay? Yeah, thank you. Yes, I'm sorry because I can't, I see on this only the slides. I couldn't see your question. So yes, please go ahead.
Hello.
Hi.
Thank you for information. My name is Sam. Yeah. Just I wanted to know how can I get experience in Canada if I've done this one data analysis course, because I don't have any, what can I say, experience.
Like one moment. So you're a domestic student, right?
Yes, I wanted to apply as domestic student, but I didn't
Yes.
apply. Yes, I wanted to apply for the course data analysis, but I don't know how. You said there's no co-placement. No co-placement, yeah.
Yeah, we don't have that, but we have always, like, if you looked into the posts we do on LinkedIn or connect with our graduates, we always have networking with industry. So we had students in the past who got part-time with industry, like your capstone project. You can make it something to solve a problem in industry. And then this is, they can, sometimes they do hire as a part-time or as a full-time. I have 3 graduates, actually 2 of them graduate. One of them is still a student at the data analytics. One of them got full-time job, and we are still working on a research with City of Toronto. And by the way, he's in Alberta, and he comes from a nursing background, but he is interested in data analytics, and he's working on a research for the City of Toronto. And your account with Humber will stay active 2 years after your graduation. So any opportunity for placement, for a part-time job that's offered only to students, you are eligible to apply for that and get the job. And I have one who's still in her second semester, but she's working part-time in that research. Okay?
Okay. Yes. And
Yeah.
how about admission?
What about the
Admission.
admission? Yeah.
Yes, because yeah, I don't have a Canadian degree. I have a bachelor degree in statistics back home.
So
Yeah.
what you need to do is the WES qualification. So apply for WES qualification for course by course, and then there all the requirements are posted on the data analytics program. I can share it with you right now. By the way, maybe if so, you will feel free to ask whatever question you have. I'm going to stop the recording